Ladies and gentlemen,
This is last presentation.
maybe are you tired or sleepy?
But please focus on our presentation and please don't sleep.
Hello everyone. I'm Lana. I want to be a fashion buyer.
I'm Yukiko. I want to be a flight attendant.
I'm Iori. I want to make own company.
I'm Moe. I want to be a businesswoman. Before starting our presentation, I want you to think about what is your dream. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Oh, too small. No. Are you ready? Yes. Yeah, good. Okay, let's start. So, I want to ask you first, student. Please answer the question. Do you want to be rich?
No.
No? Oh. Okay. Do you want to be slender?
No.
No. Okay. Do you want to be win a lottery?
Yes.
Ooh. Okay. Do you want to be buy a Benz?
No.
Thank you. Okay. It doesn't work out that way. It depends who you are. There are various kinds of dreams. This is outlining our presentation. First, I will talk to you about the Japanese club. Second, Iori will talk to you about how to be brave. Third, Lana will talk to you about our experiences. And finally, Yukiko will talk to you about how to attain your dream step by step. After our school life, we knew one club that was named the Japanese Club. Students who are very interested in Japan study Japanese every Wednesday at UWA main campus. This is good opportunity to talk with local students and get to know each other. That's why we decided to take part in this club. Kyoto to main campus takes about 10 minutes. After school, we went to there with Japanese club students. We asked the students 3 questions. The first question is, why are you studying Japanese? Most students said they want to work using Japanese in the future. This is similar to our dreams regarding English. Japanese students want to work all over the world. In addition, they like fact that usually Japanese companies have special events after work. For example, after work, workers go to pubs and they have a good time with their co-workers. Social relationships are very considered important at Japanese companies. This is called communication, you know? Yeah, this is very attractive for them because in Australian companies doesn't have that sort of things. So that's something new for them. The second question is, why do you like Japanese? Most students say they like Japanese anime. Compared to other countries, there are a lot of unique characters and interesting words in Japanese anime. And another student say that they like Japanese culture, such as castle, game, and so on. That's why they like Japanese. And the last question is, how do you study Japanese? This pie chart shows how they spend their times. Most of them watch movies over and over. They said movie was the best way to study language because there were a lot of words in it. Surprisingly, one student watched a particular movie 15 times. It is very surprising. And we went to lunch, and on the weekend, we went to a friend's house who we met at Japanese club. Not all Japanese club students speak Japanese very fluently, but we had a very good time and got to know each country's cultures. Sometimes it was hard to communicate, but we tried to understand each other. These pictures look fun, doesn't it? Yes. Thank you. Next is Iori.
Hi, Mom and Dad. Yes, let's start. Not only do they speak Japanese, but some students who can speak language besides Japanese and English. This is the big difference between us and them. Why are there so many people who can speak multiple languages? It is because Australia is a multicultural state. Quota of population of Australia have immigrated from overseas, so people respect other countries. They speak their first language at home, but speak English outside. We were surprised about it, and we thought we would also like to become like them. Because we learn English in Okinawa, so we are interested in the various countries. As you see, there are more bilingual people. What kind of advantages do they have because of that? These are our ideas. First, different countries can learn to get along very well. And second, people learn about the good points of all countries. And third, each country will improve. And finally, maybe all people will be happy. Furthermore, most Japanese students in Australia are under 25 years old. However, at UWA, ages vary. We met many mature students who have a dream. For example, one such student was my classmate. Her name is Hyusuk. She is from South Korea. She is 39 years old, and she has 2 children. Her dream is to work for the WHO. Here's another student. His name is Charlie. He is from Britain. Surprisingly, he was engaged in shooting movies for Harry Potter, so he has met many actors and actresses. His dream is to work at an advertising company in Japan. That's why they study English at UWA, even though they are adults. They have a dream, so they are motivated to study abroad and be successful. However, they are not special. There are many mature students who have a mature students to study abroad and to achieve their dreams at university all over the world. We offer this phrase to you. Now is the youngest you'll ever be. Anytime the perfect timing whenever you want to try. If you want to try something, you have to do it right now. Let's be brave. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Next is Rana.
In addition, in order to make your dream come true, I think if you want to do something, don't be hesitate to do it. For example, social gatherings, lesson activities, and so on. Actually, Moe joined the volunteer organization after she came back Okinawa. She applied for it when she stayed Australia. She worked with people of the American Consulate for the Okinawa International Films Festival. She could talk to them about study abroad and about her dream. So she received advices about her dream from them. If you join something, it will become a valuable experience for your life and your dream. And it will lead you confidently into the future. Don't wait for opportunities. You have to act yourself for your dream. Mr. Kuwahara, do you have a dream? Maybe. What's your dream? Thank you, Mr. Kuwahara. If I ask everyone this question, a lot of people would say yes. Then, of course, I have a dream too, which is a fashion buyer. Actually, throughout this study tour, after I came back Okinawa, I started working at clothes shop immediately. As well as Moe, I applied for it when I stayed Australia. I'm learning about marketing and how to buy items while working there. Many foreign people visit our shop. Actually, one day, one foreign customer visited our shop, but my boss can't speak English. Therefore, she was confused. So I talked to her in English. She enjoyed shopping and appreciated my help. I was glad that I could be helpful to her. So I realized again that being an international person is very important for our future. As a result, I decided that I will go study abroad to studying marketing in English because I want to be a person who can communicate in English at work. Next is Yukiko.
We think taking action is important for dreams come true. It's easy to dream of a dream. However, if you ever want to make your dreams come true so hard, you must act. Nowadays, it is said the population of Japan is about 120 million. The population of the world about 7.1 billion. If you can speak only Japanese, you can meet 1/71 people in the world in your life. However, more than 18 countries in the world speak English as the official language. Also, 1,400 million people can speak English. If you can speak English, you can speak 14/71 people in the world in your life. In this way, you have 14 times chance to speak new people. If you take action, you can meet a lot of people and you can get many knowledge and you can understand different senses of value. You can benefit and you can broaden your lives. We will introduce about our respect person. This is Jay, who has studied Japanese since he was a junior high school student. His final dream is international businessman. As a first step to get closer to big dream, he got a job offer from a Japanese company. He can get closer to his big dream because he he took action to study Japanese. J, who can speak Japanese? Who can speak Japanese? The best in the club, given the 3 advice to us. 1. Enjoy studying language. 2. Don't be passive. Use an imitative native speaker. 3. Don't be satisfied with yourself. At this point, I want you to watch movie from J.
こんにちは、オーストラリア人の J です。日本語を10年ぐらい勉強しています。2年前に交換留学で上智大学に行き、そして日本で就活をし、無事、日本企業から内定をいただいております。外国語を勉強すれば、さまざまな価値観や、考え方を持った方とお話ができるので、ぜひ皆さんも英語頑張ってください。では、everyone come together。せーの。You can do it!
We think speaking another language plus meeting new people plus action equal one step closer to our dream. Actually, we acted to go to Japanese club, and so we met new people. Thanks to Japanese club people, we inspire a lot. Let's think what to do now and make our dream come true.